Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have another video for you all. In this video I'll show you how you can change Facebook cover photo without notification. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply step into our video. Let's go ahead and open our Facebook app. Now we will go to our profile, and this is the cover photo of ours, right? So if I tap on this camera icon and we're going to choose our upload photo, and we say, let's say we just chose this one, and you can say share your update to newsfeed. You can, once you have that post over there, you can adjust it according to your need, however you would like. Then you will have this share your update to newsfeed. If you have turned this on, then if you post this post, if you change your cover picture, first of all it will be in your timeline, second of all notification will turn on, so everybody will get notified that this person has changed their profile, and it will be in your newsfeed, and everybody will have the access to your picture, to see, to like, to comment. If you don't want that, you can simply tap on this, turn this off, then so nobody will get notified, and you can just remove it from your timeline. And once you're done doing that, then you can tap on the save. Your cover photo will be changed and nobody will get notified. So if you, and the other option, let's say you posted and that notification was turned on, so let's say if this was the post, then you can go ahead, tap on that post three dot icon beside, and you're going to go to this edit privacy option, and you can turn this to only me, so only you will be able to have the access to that particular post in your timeline. Anybody else won't be able to see. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.